This is my 2007 BMW Z4 M Coupe, and I'm just about to change the grills from, I think these were the OEM ones that have been painted, and as you can see there's quite a lot of chipping and paint breakdown, and rather than strip these and try and repaint, I decided to purchase some new grills, which are a black matte, not glossy, finish from a sales site on eBay. So we'll set it up and show you how to do it. So these grills are held in very simply with a series of about 6 clips, and they're surprisingly easy to remove. You just grab the grill slats and lift the bottom out, and out it comes. Very easy. Now we'll go and get the other new one and pop it in. And while we're here, we'll take the opportunity to give it a bit of a clean up, just using a bit of a solvent cleaner. We call it Prep Sol here in New Zealand. I'm not quite sure what you call it elsewhere, but very easy to clean up. There we go. All set for the new one. These are the new ones. Notice that they're matte, not glossy. It seems to be the more popular replacement is to put a glossy in, but I thought we'd see how the matte black looks. They're from a company called Auto Technic in the US. Easily found on eBay, not outrageously expensive either. So, making sure we've got the right one, we'll just do the reverse of the fit, and that is put the top in, lift it up and snap it in. Making sure all the clips are clipped in. That sounds good. And second side going in now. Luckily they didn't send me 2 right-hand ones.